Hi, it's Dr. Robinson, and today I'm with a lesson to show you how to alt text a picture. So just to see what I am doing, I've got a braille display out here with a keyboard. I'm actually going to take a picture of my braille display and I'm going to alt text the picture, so when I need it myself or need to input it someplace or send it to someone, they will actually know what it is. Okay, so I am on my camera. Let me just show you where that is so you can hear.
Messages. Camera.
Okay, double tap. Yep, let's open it.
0 people.
Okay, so I'm going to just hold it over. Everybody needs to understand where their camera's at, to understand where the device is at, and of course it lines things up, and I'm just going to double tap. And I know after I hear the click, I'm going to go ahead and
Photo and video viewer.
Go to my photo and video viewer and open it.
Share. Back button.
Yep. Now, anytime I get to my photo or my video or whatever, I know it's in the middle of my screen and I just do it one tap. Let's try it again.
Live photo. Portrait. 12:03 p.m. Image.
And it actually tells you what it
Actions
is.
Available.
Now, I'm going to do a double tap and hold it on the second tap.
Alert. Link.
Okay? And it has a fit as you hear it, but you're just going to flick into the description.
Text field. Is editing. Live photo. Portrait. 12:03 p.m. Character mode. Insertion point at end.
Okay, I want to keep that part, live photo, portrait, 2003, and it actually tells me the time. But I'm going to dictate what it is.
Dictate. Double.
Braille display.
Inserted BroA display. Space. Done. Camera. Back button.
And let's tap and hear what it says.
Live photo. Portrait. 12:03 p.m. BroA display. Live photo. Portrait. 12:03 p.m. Image.
And that
available.
is, and two-finger tap hushes them up. And that is how you alt text any picture. That's Dr. Robinson for today's lesson.